Do you use your Google account with multiple Apple devices? I know many people who use Google as their digital platform and use Apple devices like iPhones and laptops. Give me a thumbs up below if this is you too, or let me know what type of devices you use with your Google accounts. Today's tip is for my Apple device users. There is a super powerful yet overlooked quick tip for all Apple users. If you have an iPhone and a MacBook, or any combination of Apple devices, this will save you a ton of time. Did you know that you can seamlessly copy something on your iPhone and paste it directly onto your Mac computer and vice versa without any extra steps? It's like magic. Yes, as long as both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, this trick works like a charm, and it works both ways. Think about it. No more emailing yourself snippets of text or photos from your phone to open up on your computer. And no more uploading files to the cloud just to grab something temporarily on another device. It's incredibly simple. This amazing feature is Apple's Universal Clipboard. It lets you seamlessly copy and paste text, images, and all sorts of content between your Mac, iPhone, iPad, and even your Apple Watch. To make this work, just make sure that all your Apple devices are signed in with the same Apple ID, have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on, and are running compatible operating systems. Once those are set up, you'll have effortless instant copy and paste superpowers across your Apple ecosystem. It's a game changer for productivity and saving you those extra steps. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how much time it saves you. When you're ready to try this and implement any of my other digital organizing tips, register for a digital organizing workshop where you get 2 hours of focused time to take action on any of your digital organizing projects. How will it feel to make progress on those projects you have been avoiding? Register for a digital organizing workshop today. I look forward to helping you succeed.